Hello kids! Today I'm going to tell you a brand new exciting story. The story is called The Four Friends. A long time ago, in a deep forest, there lived three true friends: a turtle, a crow, and a mouse. These three were always helping each other and having loads of fun. One day, while they were sitting by the lake chatting, suddenly a deer came walking up to them. "Hey! We've never seen you before. Are you new in this jungle?" asked the crow. "Yes, I am new here," said the deer sadly. "In my old jungle, no one wanted to be my friend. Everyone left me alone, so I left and came here." "Oh, wow! Then from today, you're not alone anymore," said the mouse. "We three are now four." And just like that, the deer became their friend. Every day, all four of them would go in different directions to find food, and then meet back at the lake in the evening. Everything was going great. But one day, evening came, and the deer didn't return. The sun was about to set. "Where is our friend? He still hasn't come back," said the turtle. "We need to go find him." "No, you guys stay here," said the crow. "I can fly and search faster from above." The crow quickly flew off. After some time, he spotted the deer trapped in a hunter's net. "Friend, help me!" cried the deer. "Don't worry, I'll do something," said the crow, and flew back fast to tell the mouse and turtle. The three friends rushed to the spot. "I'll cut the net," said the mouse, and began nibbling with his sharp little teeth. Snip! The net was torn, and the deer was free again. "Are you okay?" asked the turtle. "Yes, you all saved me," said the deer happily. But suddenly, the hunter came back. Everyone scattered in panic. The crow flew away. The mouse ran into a hole. The deer hid in the bushes. But the poor turtle couldn't run fast, and the hunter caught him and tied him up in a sack. Later, the three friends met again, feeling very sad. "While saving me, our dear turtle friend got captured," said the deer. "I have a clever plan," said the crow. "Tell us! Tell us!" said the others. "We're going to rescue our friend. Listen, here's what we'll do. We'll go to the lakeside. The deer will pretend to be dead. I'll sit near him looking sad, and the mouse will stay ready. Drops the sack and runs toward the deer, the mouse will cut the sack and free the turtle." Brilliant idea! And that's exactly what they did. The deer lay still on the ground. The hunter thought he was dead and ran toward him. The crow cawed sadly. The mouse quickly chewed open the sack. Snip! The turtle was free. The deer jumped up and ran. The crow flew, and the mouse scurried away. All four friends were safe.